Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Lotus Lamp Cabinet is probably one of the most versatile and stylish pieces of furniture you can add to your home, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. This unique cabinet not only provides ample storage for your belongings but also features an integrated lighting system that can transform the ambience of any room, making it a true statement piece that enhances both practicality and decor. Whether you're looking to organize your living space or add a touch of modern elegance, the Lotus Lamp Cabinet offers a sophisticated solution that caters to diverse needs and tastes, proving itself to be an indispensable addition to contemporary households seeking both form and function. Number 5. Philips Hue Smart Play Light Bar Base Kit. Elevate your gaming and TV watching with these smart light bars. They create an immersive atmosphere, bringing your entertainment to life like never before. Connect to a Hue bridge to unlock advanced features. Enjoy automations, remote control, and a stable, secure connection for your smart home. Choose from millions of vibrant colors or a range of warm to cool white light. Instantly set the perfect mood for any occasion. Create an epic backlight for your TV. Mount them behind your screen to surround your viewing experience with dynamic splashes of light. Control your lights with simple voice commands. Integrate them with Alexa or Google Assistant for convenient hands-free operation. Setting up is easy. Connect them to the power supply and enjoy an increasingly immersive smart lighting experience as you add more. What we like? Unlock millions of colors and create the ultimate TV lighting experience. If you're looking to elevate your gaming or movie nights with immersive, dynamic lighting that syncs with your screen, this is the perfect choice. Its voice control compatibility adds an extra layer of convenience for setting the mood instantly. What people say? They are easy to set up, sync with the Hue Bridge and app, and work with many games and apps that support Hue Sync. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is adjustable, and the effects are immersive. The lights come with a versatile and easy-to-use mounting system supported by 3M tape and Allen key adjustment for the bases. You can arrange them in a variety of ways. Number 4. Flexible Jewelry Showcase Lights Kit. Introducing our flexible LED light kit, designed to bring brilliance to your display cases. Its ultra-bright, white light strips are perfect for showcasing your items. With a DIY flexible design, you can easily shape these lights around corners or cut them to your desired length. Let your imagination guide you in decorating any display case. Installation is a breeze with the strong self-adhesive backing. Simply clean the surface, peel, stick, and plug in the power adapter. No wires or drilling required. Achieve the perfect lighting with the included touch dimmer, allowing you to adjust brightness from 0 to 100%. These lights provide a clean, bright white illumination. These versatile lights are ideal for display cases, kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and more. They effectively banish shadows, making your items stand out. Add a touch of magic to your kitchen with under-cabinet lighting. These lights provide the perfect amount of illumination, making your space look great. What we like? This flexible LED strip offers DIY customization and adjustable brightness for perfect display lighting. If you need to highlight products in showcases, cabinets, or kitchens with clean, bright white light, this is an excellent option. Its easy, screw-free installation makes it ideal for renters or those who prefer not to damage surfaces. What people say? The lights are sturdy and bright. They don't appear to produce any heat. The on-off dimmer button works well. It's really nice having the dimming feature to adjust to the ideal brightness level. Great addition to our kitchen. This product was exactly what I needed to complete this project. I had to buy 15 feet of wire, could be lamp wire, in order to place each lights where I want them to be, separate them and be able to pass the wire through a small hole in between cabinets. Wood. Easy installation. Works well. Can't believe how economical this product is. Number 3. Honoson Automatic Cabinet Door Switch. Introducing the Honoson Automatic Cabinet Door Switch. This smart switch provides seamless lighting activation for your cabinets and wardrobes. Each package includes 8 switches, 16 screws, and 16 plastic caps for a complete and easy installation in your lighting fixtures. When you open the door, the light turns on automatically. When you close the door, it turns off, offering intuitive and effortless use. Perfect for a wide range of applications including wardrobes, cabinets, bookcases, and even RV closets. It brings great convenience to your daily life. Constructed from high-quality, flame-retardant PC material, it ensures safety, reliability, and long-lasting durability. It is also corrosion-resistant and wear-resistant. The cable hole diameter is 2.5 mm, making it easy to strip and connect your wires for a secure and functional setup. What we like? Experience automatic lighting with this cabinet door switch. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to have lights turn on when a cabinet or wardrobe door opens and off when it closes, this is the solution. Its durable, flame-retardant material ensures safety and longevity for various cabinet types. What people say. Open door lights go on. Close the door lights go off. Easy to install, they work very well. Functioned well and was great size to hide in the corner of the cabinet. Number 2. Franklin Iron Works Rustic Farmhouse Floor Lamp. Introducing a beautiful floor lamp that brings rustic farmhouse charm to any room. Its design is inspired by nature, adding a unique touch to your home. This lamp features 3 exquisite lily-shaped amber glass shades. The intertwined floral design adds an elegant and artistic flair, casting a warm glow. With 3 lights, it provides ample illumination for various needs. Use it for reading, working in your office, or creating ambient lighting in your bedroom. Constructed with a durable metal frame and a bronze and gold finish, this lamp is built to last. Its sculptural design makes it a statement piece in any space. Ideal for your living room, bedroom, office, or entryway, this lamp complements farmhouse, cottagecore, and even Art Deco aesthetics. It's a versatile addition to your home decor. Conveniently controlled by an on-off foot switch located on the 8-foot cord, turning on all lights at once is simple and effortless. What we like? Add rustic charm with this sculptural floor lamp featuring a 3-light design. If you desire warm, ambient lighting for your living room, bedroom, or office with a unique floral aesthetic, this lamp is a great fit. Its adjustable shade heights offer versatility in directing light where you need it most. What people say. This iron and glass floor lamp is exquisite and a conversation piece as well as a functional light fixture. It takes a standard base bulb and I experimented with 3W cool white LED, 3W warm white LED and amber 1W LED bulbs and chose to use the amber bulb since it makes a beautiful glow for ambient lighting and enhances a curio cabinet that displays porcelain figurines. The craftsmanship is excellent on this unique iron and glass fixture and it is made in the US. Number 1. Brightech Krystal LED Table Lamp, Brass. Introducing the Krystal LED Table Lamp, a stylish and versatile addition that effortlessly complements any decor. Its standout frosted glass globe is sure to spark conversations and elevate your space. Designed with your safety in mind, this lamp features a robust marble base for stability, preventing tipping. The LED bulbs also eliminate heat production, safeguarding against potential burns. Seamlessly integrate it with your smart devices for effortless control. Pair it with colorful bulbs to infuse excitement, or enjoy the warm light that creates a comfortable and cozy ambience. This lamp includes a long-lasting LED bulb with a 20,000-hour lifespan, reducing electricity usage by 90%. Enjoy significant energy savings and keep your rooms cool. Your purchase is protected with our industry-leading 3-year warranty and USA-based support. Experience optimal lighting tailored to your needs, enhancing your productivity and comfort. What we like? This table lamp combines a stylish frosted glass globe with a stable marble base for safety and elegance. If you appreciate mid-century modern or boho rustic decor and want a conversation-starting piece that's safe for homes with pets and children, this is an excellent choice. Its smart compatibility adds modern convenience to its timeless design. What people say. The cabinet is a beautiful piece of furniture, with intricate carvings and a lovely lotus design. It's very sturdy and well-made, with solid wood construction. The doors open and close smoothly, and the shelves are adjustable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.